Okay, we're getting ready to change the battery on this key fob. Take a flat screwdriver and then look for a gap around the shell. On the case right here, you can see there is that gap right there. You put your screwdriver and you twist it. That will allow you to remove this back cover. Put that aside and use your screwdriver again to pop out the battery. Now take the new battery, put it in place, and then take the back cover and snap it onto the key fob. Make sure that it's completely closed. Now, if you do install the battery and your new battery, your key fob does not work, here are the things that you need to check. If we open this again, you need to pay close attention to make sure that you install the battery in the correct order. If you look at the back of the battery that has a plus sign, that plus sign needs to face the back. And this is the negative side of the battery, so that should be on the top and the plus on the back. Also, something else is these contacts right here. You have to touch this circuit board right there, so make sure that these are not bent down or broken. And then these right here, the same thing, they do touch the face of the battery, so make sure you have these sticking up a little bit so that they're touching on the battery. And the other thing that you need to be extremely careful is do not touch the circuit board, and also this right here, this little coil. Be careful that you don't damage that. If that is damaged, there's a really small wire that goes around that coil, and if that gets cut, then you insert the key into the ignition, it will not start your car. You will be able to unlock the doors, but you will not be able to start the car. So those are just a few things you need to keep in mind when you change the battery on this key fob. Thank you for watching.